got these, right? We're gonna test these out. Now, technically I'm gonna probably put this on my helmet as well, if they work out pretty good, but I need some better lights. The headlight is fine, even with this off, it's okay. It's not the best. So what I wanted to kind of do was not spend a ton of money to add some flavor to the bike. And how I want to do that is going to be this way. So and there it is. That's on high. That's on high. And there it is. Those are the two auxiliary lights. Those are on high. This with the headlight. I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. You can even get creative and possibly fit another one there as well. You could probably fit another one there as well. But what I'm liking about it is it's just along the side and it's black and it looks like it should go with it. So I like it. You know, anyways, let me know what you guys think. I'm digging it.